switching this wig and my Burmese curly wig because I'm so in love with Burmese curly hair. So I've been going back and forth between this wig and that wig. And when I first installed this wig, I did do a side part and I had the middle part, and then I did also did the flip over method because you can part it in so many different ways, as you can see. It really can. Now it says that the wig is HD and transparent, and I don't believe it's HD. I just feel like it's very workable and it gives off the ideal or the realistic of a maybe a transparent, but I don't think an HD lace. And the reason why it looks real good, like it matches my skin, is because, like I said, I do use either concealer, foundation, or bronzer. But right now, I'm using a bronzer that matches my lace. And also, what was I gonna say? The wig did come with 4 combs, and if you watch my videos, y'all know that I take the combs out. I really don't prefer the combs in my wig because I believe that it lays flatter, and that's just me, it's my opinion. But I always do leave the back comb because, to tell you the truth, I don't braid my wigs. I mean, not braid my wigs. I don't do a braid down when I do my wigs. Sometimes I do a slick back, or sometimes I just do like 4 ponytails, like, and that's it. I really don't do that, so that's why I really don't need the combs in the wig. Now let's get into some pros. Now, pro of this wig is I really like the color. I get so many compliments on this wig. Like when I went wore it to school, and then I switched to Burmese color, everybody was like, "Oh my god, why you take the red out? I really like that." So you will get a lot of compliments on this wig, I must say, because it is gorgeous, especially when it hits the sunlight. It is so gorgeous. Now the pro, like I said, is the color is very nice, and the parting is really 13 by 6. Oh yeah, and the density, 200. It is 200 density. Right now, it don't look as big. It's because I tamed it basically. And no, I did not use mousse. Since going to school now, I know I'm always mentioning school. I like the natural look when I install my wigs or when I'm doing my wigs. So all I do in the morning is use my spray bottle, put a little conditioner and maybe a little tiny bit of oil. And that's it. I really don't use mousse because I love this little natural look. Because I feel like, in my opinion, when I use mousse, it tends to make the hair crunchy, or hard. And I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for something more like this. And the only thing that I did was use my wand curler because if you've been watching me, you know I like to add a little more, a little into the front to give it some, little volume or whatever look I'm going for. And okay, that's another pro. What else can I say? Yeah, that's pretty much, it's a good, I feel like it's a good color for the summer because we like to wear